Hello everybody, today we're gonna do something really interesting. Today is July 15th and it's getting really hot, like above 100, 3 digits most of the time. And I noticed that in my Interceptor the AC is not cold enough. Maybe because it's really hot, or maybe because it doesn't have enough Freon. So I'm gonna attempt to do a refill, and also there's another thing that happens with this. It doesn't start right away, so let's do some experimenting here. I will close the door and I'm gonna open the key. I'm gonna go with that, turn it on, and this is what happens. Sometimes it starts right away, but most of the times there's a 2, 3, 4 minutes delay. Don't know if it's connected because probably the Freon level is low. I don't know. So let's turn it on. Cool. It has started. It's very noisy, but let's see. It's getting cool, but I think it should be cooler than this. It's comfortable. So let's find out. I'm gonna use the manual. I'm gonna use one of those gauges that you can buy at auto parts, at Walmart, and places like that. Okay. All right. I'm gonna stop this. I'm gonna turn off the car and I'm gonna pop the hood. Okay. Okay, where it is? Oh, right there. To the side, up. Oh, I need my other hand. Oh, shoot, I always forget. Okay, secured. And here is I guess this is the low, and it's cold. I don't know if it should be colder, but it's working. I see it's working. Ooh, there was a little psst, as you notice. Okay, looks. As you know, the gauge doesn't work. It fits. It should fit. So let's follow the instructions. And here you go. I'm gonna use the regular R-134A. I bought this gauge like a year ago. Use it probably 3 times already. And make sure this is the right type of refrigerant that you're gonna need. Okay, so it's right there. R-134A. It has enough, not a whole lot, but I think if I need more, I can go and buy another can. I don't know if they're like what, $4. So supposedly what you do, you turn on the AC, put it in high, then you hook this up, adjust the dial to the right temperature, which right now is a 96 Fahrenheit, which is really cool. It's kind of cool. It feels really cool. So I'll go like 90 plus. So when I press the trigger, this the gauge should be right somewhere over here. Okay, so let's follow the instructions. Let's repeat. Insert. Wait a second. Turn on. Working. Engages. Put it on the highest. Max. Super cold. It's not that cold. Now let's go in. I'm always afraid I'm gonna. Let me lower one. Okay. Undo this. Remember, if it doesn't fit, it won't work. So don't be afraid. I'm gonna just shake it a little bit. This camera is too close. All right. I'm gonna press. I'll give it a few seconds. Okay. More. It seems taking it. Oh, it's getting cold. All right, it's taking just a little bit. A little bit more. The little can is almost empty, but the pressure is not increasing. So I'm gonna have to get another bottle and give it at least to get it at the 45 point. So I'll come back with that later, all right? Okay, I just happen to have an extra can of R-134A. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna connect this can to the gauge. I forgot to mention this is the AC Pro, I think is the name of this. But this one, it's kind of, the first time you buy it is kind of expensive. The first time, then you keep using it several times, you will be okay. I think it is the AC Pro. I don't know where I read it was the AC Pro. Probably here. A push to engage. I don't know where I read it, but I think it is the AC Pro. Somewhere it is, somewhere. Not really sure where. All right, let's hook this up. Really easy, I guess. All right, you just go in and start. I think you can hear it. Don't overdo it. All right, ready to go. Let's do everything again one more time, but this time we're just gonna do it really quick. All right, let's remove this. Put this thing back. All right, let's go inside, see if it improved. Okay. A little bit improvement, not a whole lot. Maybe because I'm on max AC. Maybe because of that, not sure. But it's a little bit better. But this is all in max, so it's a little bit better. So I'm gonna